Lesson 2, students will be learning about the heartbeat and pulse. In this lesson, the Common Core Standard or New York State Standards are Standard Number 6 Systems Thinking Key Ideas Number 1 and 1W8. The objectives, students will be able to provide an answer to the question, how many times did your heart beat in 20 seconds? Students will be able to write 3 sentences answering the question, what did you learn? The central focus and rationale of this lesson is that this lesson will engage the students by giving them the opportunity to take their pulse and listen to each other's heartbeat. The essential questions of the lesson are, what is a pulse and what is a heartbeat? Saying that, the academic language is a pulse and a heartbeat. Multiple assessment strategies that would be used during the lesson, the prior knowledge assessment, have you ever heard your heartbeat? Have you ever taken your pulse? And the post-assessment will be an exit ticket from each station. The materials needed for this lesson are chart paper, paper towel tubes, which 12, stopwatches, 12, and the technology used in this lesson will be the smartboard. For the instructional procedure, we'll start off with the introduction. Last time we talked about the heart. Does anyone remember what a heartbeat is? What system was it a part of? For homework, you answered, what ways do you keep your heart strong? Would anyone like to share? And the hook, have you ever had your pulse taken? Has a doctor ever listened to your heartbeat? The developmental activities would be to add to previous vocabulary, anchor chart the terms pulse and heartbeat. Prompt students' input when creating definitions. The activity will be to teach the students how to take their pulse. Show them how their pulse will increase with exercise and decrease with rest. Students will do the following with partners. 1. Using the tip of your fingers, locate your pulse on either your wrist or neck. This will be modeled by the teacher. Number 2. Ask a friend to time you for 20 seconds while you count the number of times your heart beats. Number 3. Write down how many times your heart beat in 20 seconds. Number 4 will be to jog in place for a minute. This will speed up your heart rate. And number 5 will be to ask your friend to time you again. How many times did your heart beat in 20 seconds this time? Another activity will be to pass out paper towel tubes. Students will listen to their partner's heartbeat. They'll place the paper towel tube on the student's heart and be able to hear it through the paper towel tube. For activities, assign the students partners. One group will have to be of 3, since there's 12. Closure. Your beating heart creates a pulse. Your heart has to push so much blood through your body that you can feel a little thump in your arteries each time the heart beats. Wow, the most common places to feel a pulse are on your wrist and your neck. Did you enjoy finding your pulse and feeling the beat? Extensions could be schedule a time with the school nurse to have her visit the classroom, have her discuss pulse and heartbeat. She could even bring stethoscopes. It's kind of like a fire day where the firemen come in. The homeschool connections, listen to a family member's heartbeat and how many times did their heart beat in 20 seconds. They can do the same activity as they did in class. That was lesson 2.